Open the Doors and Windows tutorial drawing. Set a 2D and 3D view looking at the front of the garage and the front entranceway. Click the Floor Plan tab, and from the Floor Tools group, click the Door tool. From Door Styles, choose the garage door. Enter a width of 18 feet and press Return to accept the new value. Drag your cursor along the wall. In this case, when it says midpoint, just release the mouse button to set the position of the door. Deselect the door, and now we'll choose a custom door. And from the styles, we'll choose Light for the style, and we'll choose this oval glass door. We'll change the width to 3 feet and press Return. Drag along the wall, release, and then move the cursor to set the door swing and click to place. On the Properties pane, you can flip the swing direction and flip the side of the door that the hinges are on. You can also change the door swing angle. We've set it to 30 degrees and press the Return key to accept the value. You can also choose hardware while the door is selected. Just switch to the door hardware properties and select the hardware style that you'd like on the door. Now we'll change our view so that we're looking in towards the dining room. Click the Door tool. This time, we'll choose the cased opening, and we'll just place that in the wall. While it's selected, you can drag the endpoints to resize the door. So you can resize the door manually with your mouse and cursor, as well as entering in a new value. Click the Door tool again. Now from the Door Styles, we'll choose the glass door. We'll set the width for 6 feet and press Return. Drag to place it and set the swing direction. While it's selected, choose Double Door on the Properties pane to create French doors leading outside. And we can adjust the swing here as well. Place the rest of the doors as you see in the plan displayed. Remember that you can go back and change the size of doors or the style of doors later at any point as you work. Now, let's place some windows. Set up your view so that you're looking at 2D and 3D side by side. From the Window tool, we'll choose Window Styles and choose this double hung window. Drag along the wall to place and just release. On the Properties pane, you can change the width, entering in a new value. Don't forget to press Return. You can also adjust the height of the window, and you can also adjust the elevation from the bottom of the window down to the ground. And we'll place one more of these double hung windows over in the garage. Drag along the wall and release to place. Next, we'll place some picture windows or fixed windows. You can change the number of grills or mullions. We'll place 3, and then take a moment and place the rest of these windows around the plan. Your finished image should look like this. You can also look at elevation views like front, side, and back to get a straight-on view of how that side of the home will look. From the 3D views, choose Elevation Editor. Click the tab for the front elevation view. Using the left mouse button, click on the door to select it. Drag the door to the left, repositioning it on the wall. Now, click the Window tool. Choose the Casement Picture Window style. Set the width of the window to 1 foot and the height for 6 foot 5 inches and the trim to 2 inches. And remember to press Enter to set the values. Click on the wall surface that the window is to be placed on and drag the window into position. Release to place it. Switch back to a normal 3D viewing mode to verify the changes. Make changes as needed. Back in Elevation View, select the new window and adjust the elevation to 3 inches.